Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about 3rd BSc Mathematics, Vector Calculus, Paper 5. So, previously we will discuss about some important definitions on del operator and del gradient of the function and some important problems on the gradient. Now we will discuss about the definition of directional derivative and the problems on the directional derivative. Directional derivative of f is equal to x y square plus y z square plus x square at a point 2, minus 1, 1 in the direction I plus 2j plus 2k. Another is directional derivative of f x square minus y square plus 2z square at a point 1, 2, 3 in the direction p q bar, and where p is given and the q 5, 0, 4. Another is maximum value definition and example of the maximum. These are the points we will discuss today class. So now we will solve the problems on the directional derivative. Before that, we will define the directional derivative of f. Let f of x, y, z be a scalar point function which is continuous and derivable. Then the directional derivative of f at a point p x1 y1 z1 in the direction a bar is gradient of f at a point dot e bar. So the important definition is gradient of f at a point p dot e bar, where e bar is a bar by modulus of a. This is the definition. Once again we will discuss. Let f of x, y, z be a scalar point function which is continuous and derivable. Then the directional derivative of f at a point x1, y1, z1 in the direction a bar is gradient of f at a point p dot e bar. E bar is a unit vector, a bar by modulus of a bar by modulus of a bar. This is nothing but a unit vector only. Now we will discuss about some two models of the problem. One is f is given, p point is given, direction vector is given, and second problem f is given, p point is given, and pq and q point is given. Right? So coming to the first one, here solution f is equal to x y square plus y z square plus x square. Immediately we can find del f or gradient f. So del f or gradient f, grade f or del f is equal to I dou by dou x of the whole function f only, x y square plus y z square plus x square plus j times of dou by into x y square plus y z square plus x square plus k times of dou by z of x y square plus y z square plus x square is equal to I into partial derivative with respect to x only. This is x derivative 1 and y square is there, and x square derivative is 2x. In middle term is no x, there is no x, become 0. Plus j times of, this is with respect to y, 2xy plus z square plus k times of, this is 0 and this is 0, only 2yz, right? And immediately gradient of f at a point p. Point p is 2, minus 1, 1. So therefore x replaces 2, y replaces minus 1, z replaces 1 is equal to I into y minus 1 whole square plus 2 into 2 plus j times of 2 into 2. Another is y is minus 1 plus z is 1 square plus k times of 2 into y means minus 1. Minus 1 z is 1 only. That is equal to, here I into 1 square is 1 plus this is 5 plus here j times of, this is a minus 2 plus 1 minus 3 plus k times of minus 2. This is simple comparison is equal to 5i minus 3j minus 2k. This is the gradient of f at a point P. And now we can calculate. Now we can already we calculated the gradient of f is equal to 5i minus j plus 2k minus 2k, right? Another is we can find a bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k. Immediately e bar is equal to, what is the definition a bar by modulus of a? That is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k by 1 plus 4 plus 4 under root is equal to, this is I plus 2j plus 2k by here 9 means 3 only. Therefore, the directional derivative of f is equal to f at a point P is equal to, what is the formula? Gradient of f at a point P dot e bar. Already gradient of is given. It is 5i minus 3j minus 2k dot I plus 2j plus 2k by 3, right? So this is multiplication is I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1. We can multiply the coefficient point wise only. That is 5 minus 6 minus 4 by 3. This is nothing but distance minus 5 by 3 is the final answer for the directional derivative of the first problem. Now we can solve the second model on the direction derivative. Here f is equal to x square minus y square plus z square and p point is immediately gradient of f. Gradient f is equal to I dou by dou x of x function x square minus y square plus z square complete function f plus j times of dou by y of x square minus y square plus z square plus k times of dou by dou z of x square minus y square plus z square only. See, simply I into this is 2x because of rest of the two terms are constants only. Another is plus j times of minus 2y plus k times of 2z only. So immediately gradient of f at a point P is 1, 2, 3. That means x replaces to 1, y replaces to z replaces 3 is nothing but 2i minus 4j plus 6k only. This is called a gradient of f only. Another is PQ is given. So meaning of PQ in the vector algebra is OQ minus OP. This is OQ means what is the form? Here O means here 5 0 4 minus 1, 2, 3. This is nothing but 4 minus 2 and 1. So that means 4i minus 2j plus k. This is called a vector A bar. PQ is nothing but A bar only, right? Okay, this is a gradient of already we can find and A bar is there. Therefore, directional derivative of f equals to f is equal to gradient of f at a point P dot e bar. Here e bar is equal to a bar by modulus of a. This is equal to here 4i minus 2j plus k by 16 plus 4 plus 1. Here 21 only. This is equal to, what is the value? This is 2i minus 4j plus 6k dot 4i minus 2j plus k by root 21 only. Right? This is equal to 8 plus 6 by root 21 is nothing but 8 plus 8 is 16 plus this is 22 by 16 plus 24 by 21. This is the final answer for the directional derivative of this problem. So therefore 8 plus 6 by root 21 is nothing but 22 by root 21 is the final answer for the directional derivative only. So next definition, maximum value of f of the direction derivative. This is the maximum value of f of direction derivative f. Direction derivative of f is, the formula is gradient of f at a point p modulus 1. Gradient of f at a point p modulus only. So an example, this is, we are consider this problem only. So f is equal to x square y z square and point is 2, 1, minus 1 is given. Immediately we can find a gradient of f. Gradient f is equal to I dou by dou x of x square y z square plus j dou by dou y of x square y z square plus k dou by dou z of x square y z square only. This is equal to 2x y z square I plus x square z square j plus 2x square y k. Because of here x square derivative is only 2x, the rest of the two constants only, therefore 2x into y z square. Here the y derivative is 1, only x square z square is there. Another is z square derivative 2x, 2z into 2z into x square by k only, right? Therefore gradient of f at a point p is 2, 1, minus 1. You put the value of 2 into 1 into minus 1 whole square of I plus x square is 2 square, z square minus 1 whole square into j plus 2 into x square means 2 square, y is 1, z is minus 1 k. So we can simplify this. This is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1, 4 only into minus 1 whole square 4. This is called 4i minus this plus is there and 4j. Another is minus 4 into 2, it is 8, minus 8k only, right? So therefore now the maximum value is equal to gradient of f at a point p modulus only, that is 4 square means 4 square plus 4 square plus minus 8 whole square under root. This is equal to 16 plus 64 under root only. So you can simplify 64 plus 4, it is a 70, 80, 96 only. So answer is only 96, the final answer for the function only. So thank you very much. We will discuss in next class some more problems on the angle between two surfaces. Thank you very much for good listening.